So that was the raw abalone, that's the little one. You can see it's quite a small bit of meat. We'll tenderize that in a minute. So this is the brown lip, and now we'll do this one. So do it basically the same as the roe. Just run the butter knife right along the shell, and then it'll pop out. There we go. So then we pop out. Obviously, bigger shell, bigger fish. It's going to have a lot more guts and a lot more other stuff, so a lot more to process. But it's exactly the same thing. So same thing, we just cut around that, and then we'll discard of that. And then we've got a beak here, what they call the beak. Hey doggos. And we'll cut in to that beak. And we'll discard that, so that's junk. And now we just got to tenderize it. The next stage of abalone is tenderising. So here we go. Jakey's on the job today. What we do, wrap it in a tea towel, get a brick on it, and smash the shit out of it. So it's nice and soft. Yeah. Nice and squishy. And it's good to go. And we crumb them up and cook.